Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add money to your blockchain wallet. First, you will need to choose a reliable blockchain wallet provider that suits your needs. After selecting one, proceed with setting up your account and completing any required identity verification steps. This initial setup is crucial for ensuring the security and functionality of your digital assets. Understanding the various ways to fund your wallet is the next important step. Once your wallet is ready, you can explore several funding methods. Bank transfers are a popular choice, allowing you to send funds directly from your bank account, though they might take a few business days. For quicker deposits, many platforms support credit or debit card payments, often processing funds within minutes. Alternatively, you can use cryptocurrency exchanges to buy digital assets directly with fiat currency. Now, let's make a deposit. Navigate to the Add Funds or Deposit section within your wallet interface. Here, you will select the currency you wish to add, such as US dollars or euros, and specify the exact amount. It is absolutely essential to carefully review all the transaction details, including the amount and any associated fees, before you finalize and confirm your deposit. After confirming your deposit, keep an eye on your wallet for the incoming funds. The time it takes for the money to appear can vary, typically ranging from a few minutes for card payments to several business days for bank transfers. Once your funds arrive, they are ready for use. Always remember to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security, protecting your valuable digital assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.